Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Typeform survey. Typeform is an excellent tool for creating interactive, visually appealing surveys that feel more like conversations than traditional forms. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to typeform.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Typeform dashboard. This is where all your forms and surveys will be stored and managed. After logging in, look at the left panel of your dashboard. Here you'll see a button that says plus create a new form. Click on this button to start building your survey from the ground up. This action opens up your form creation options. Next, you'll be presented with different starting points for your form. For this tutorial, we want complete creative control, so select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. After selecting this option, you'll notice the first element that appears is the welcome screen. This screen is important because it's the first thing respondents will see when they open your survey, so you can customize it later to make a great first impression. Now it's time to add your first question. Click on plus add content, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select short text. This question type is perfect for collecting brief responses like names or simple answers. Once you've selected short text, you'll see a field where you can type your question. Go ahead and type something like "What is your name?" ? Then press enter. This confirms your question and prepares the form to move to the next step. Let's add another question to make your survey more interesting. Click plus add content again, and once more, select short text from the options. In the question field that appears, type your second question, such as "What is your favorite color?" Then press enter. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to add more questions to your survey, building out a comprehensive form that gathers all the information you need. Before publishing your survey, it's always a good idea to test how it looks and functions. Click the preview button, which is typically located at the top right of your screen. This opens your survey in a new window, showing you exactly what respondents will experience. Click Start, and you'll see your questions appear one by one, just as they will for your audience. This preview mode helps you catch any errors or awkward phrasing before sharing the survey. And there you have it. You've successfully created a basic Typeform survey with multiple questions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.